Ready to send USDT from Binance to Gcash? Quick step-by-step in 1 minute. Open Binance, go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Find USDT. Tap Withdraw, choose USDT as the coin, then select Network. Confirm the network matches Cash's receive option before proceeding. Paste the Gcash USDT wallet address into Binance. Double-check every character. Review amount and withdrawal fee, then confirm with two-factor authentication. Open Gcash and navigate to the wallet or crypto receive screen for USDT. Copy the Gcash wallet address exactly as shown and note the displayed network. Return to Binance and paste that address, set the amount, then send. Track the transaction ID in Binance withdrawal history until it shows confirmed. Quick security tips: always double-check addresses, confirm network, and use two-factor authentication. That's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more crypto quick guides.